So Boogie Beat music and movement sessions, the intergenerational sessions are particularly wonderful. The linking the older and the younger members of the community, so bringing together our toddler groups and so I do a lot of sessions in our care homes with different toddler groups, different school settings, different day nurseries, and the benefits of the sessions are far-reaching. So as everybody can guess, the benefits are amazing. So last week, for example, I was in one of the local care homes in Wrexham who had a lady with dementia, one of their residents, lady with dementia. She calls out quite often, but it was very much noticed that whilst the children were around and while the music and movement session was going, she was quite happy, smiling. So the reactions from the older residents don't actually have to be something great, but so it's the subtle differences that make the most difference.